Okay, yeah, so this is a RadonPay operating system, and this is the unified infrastructure layer for agentic economy, the AI that autonomously discover, pay for, and consume service gas free USDC down to 0.00001. So we can see where the button where you need to launch the agent. You see the live stream. So basically we connected everything together. So this is the full sketch on how it works. So we have the way the agentic economy works. So here we have the agent swamps, which define a USDC budget, agent, and and also stats. So too we have another layout where to find the API. This is like a marketplace. It's a marketplace where you search for the APIs and what you need. Then for 3 you get the HTTP 402. The API requests payment before serving. Basically, after you've searched for the API, get the H402. Then we have the signs and pay, which is the agent pays from wallet, so no gas, instant from Circle wallet. So everything is autonomous and the agent controls everything. So here we have for the fifth one we have get result. The API serves the data and the loop repeats. So like he continues, he continues running, you get, and you can stream it and you can see everything live, record it and see everything. Basically everything is working perfectly. So this is the demo agent demo. Swamp free agent, watch them pay APIs automatically. You can see while streaming it live. Every payment flow in real-time gas, which is 0.0001. Then also your wallet, which is the wallet which is the real USDC balance connected to Circle gateway. So everything is actually connected, and it's also live on Arc testnet. So this is the agent. So this is the agent where the agent economy, and where you can see everything. Basically you set the amount you budget per agent. Then you put the number of agents. If you want to put like 5, you can set it for the same price. Then you see how everything is being looked. The 5 agents, you times it by the budget, which is 0.001. You can also work on your budget and set it as well, you get. So when we click on swamp agent, you see how it works. And click on swamp agent. To take few seconds. See, it's now loading. The payments are now being made, and it's recorded on chain. It's recorded agents. So these are the agents that are live. Look at them, they are live, and they are working. This is the live payment log. So you can also decide to key any agent. You feel like, oh, you don't want to work with this particular agent, you can just key the agent. Choose the particular one, and choose and key them. So like, so you can see everything here. So this is the market, the market for the agent. This is the market. So you can see everything making its transaction. This is the agent marketplace, S402 compatible API. Agent pays per request automatically. So yes, this is the AI. This is for data. This is for infra. So this is for infra, which the memory store. So we can also see the billing. So this is the usage billing. You see the total spent, the total calls, the average per call, the gas fee, which is $0, the Circle gateway, and everything works perfectly well. Cost by service, you see them the cost you get, which is less than $1. So we can track the wallet. So this is the wallet. You can see this is the Circle wallet, which is being linked, and everything. This is the address of the wallet. This is the address where you can track and see how everything is being settled. So all these ones here are the ones that are being completed. You can see them, they are completed, so you can decide, you can view them on Etherscan and see how it works. So let us check this 35 seconds. Look at it, the transaction is being loaded. You can see the transactions, everything is working perfectly well. You get, so it works without you disturb. The only what you do is just to click and have the tokens ready, and everything works perfectly well. You get, so this is it. This is RadonPay Os. RadonPay Os it's under agentic economy. So you can change it to, if you want it in light mode, and if you want it in dark mode, you can still set it. So when it comes on mainnet, basically we'll be making use of USDC, and we can also loop those agent wallets to having wallet address, where one can ascribe a particular agent to the particular wallet, for making of purchases of API keys, APIs, and whatever things we can be integrated as well to it. So this is it. 5 agents are working. I can also decide to, so let me key the agent and say, okay, see how it also works. So this is it. I can key this agent better. I can decide to key the agent. So here this is agent 2. So now we are left with 3 agents. I keyed 2 agents, so you can see. So I can decide to stop it, and everything stops. You get, so that's how it works. So yeah, thank you very much, and thank you very much.